How are you?
Dito naman tayo.
Ano, okay ka na? Okay ka? I mean, you
Walang
feel
ako ng
better?
boses kahapon.
Grabe.
Hindi ako nakasama, but I had to rest, sabi ng katawan ko.
Yes.
Pinahinga ko yung buong Pasko.
Oo, that's
Yeah.
good that
Yeah.
you now recovered syempre because hindi mo palalampasin ang
Yes,
ano,
I'm
no?
so happy yung addicts dito, yung talagang mga kasama ko yan since I started.
Oo.
So, to have this sponsored block screening is such a big treat. Napakasayang regalo para sa Pasko.
Yeah. You keep on choosing harder and harder roles each year. Bakit?
Because you can never rest on your laurels. You always have to push the envelope, and you always have to get out of your comfort zone to challenge yourself, to become better, and to know more about acting and the craft itself. Well,
Wow. Hindi totoo. Pati actually yung mga
ito pagpapahinga sa'yo.
ginising mo nga yung diwa ng mga guro kahapon, mga pulis daw na nanood sa sinehan. At sinabi nila pang international daw yung Manila's
yes,
finest.
we've been reading a lot of reviews, and we're just so happy and thrilled that finally it's out. We worked hard for the project, and we're just really happy and overwhelmed at the same time because we were able to send the message across, and they were able to really appreciate the film and just look back with nostalgia. During the time in the 60s, and masaya tayo kasi maganda yung mga reviews na nakukuha natin.
Oo. Tsaka malalim yung mga
Oo.
Sila
Pero ako mga hindi naiintindihan Sabi ko, sana sila na lang in-interview.
Yun nga, no? But really, the lesson ano yung pinakamagandang comment na nabasa mo so far?
Uy, marami. Everything is so poignant. Everything is just really meaningful, and it takes us back to that time, and it leaves us wondering, it leaves us thinking. Yun naman yung message ng film, for us to think about what we should do.
Hindi siya sinuspoon feed.
Hindi siya spoon-fed. It's at the same time, it will leave you thinking after watching it. Ang sarap lang balikan yun, and to be able to have this kind of cinema, matagal tayong walang ganito. So nakakatuwa na yung mga tao mismo, meron silang mga takeaway, meron din silang mga observation, and yun nga, maganda yung mga reviews nakakatuwang basahin.
Yeah, and 80 plus cinemas, pero yung mga kapatid natin sa probinsya, parang they're still asking na wala daw sa Cavite, wala pa
Yun
sa
nga, sana mapalabas
Batangas.
pa tayo sa iba, kasi may mga nagme-message sa akin na wala nga raw sa mga sinehan nila. So yun, word of mouth.
word of mouth. Tomorrow, awards
Yeah,
night, guys.
yeah.
See you
Looking
there.
forward to that.
Yes.
Trabaho
Each year.
pa rin.
Thank you. Opo. Okay, thank you po.
All right.
Thank you.